Ecotools Eye Kit Interchangeables Makeup Brush Set In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 381 ratings and 12 reviews. 90% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 7% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said functional and recyclable. Love that not only can the brush tips be swapped out, but the tin they come in can be reused. I have all my daily brushes stored there now. Neat idea, that is exactly what I was looking for. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. All bristles came out in one clump the first time I used it. The idea of switching out brush heads with one handle is great. Problem is that the bristles all came out in a clump the first time I used it. I have a makeup brush that is on a regular handle and I love it, but this brush was the worst. That's it.